Hi guys, and welcome back to EasyPy 3. Now that you know how to store data with variables, in this lesson we're going to learn how to speak to the computer using a function. The input function does the opposite of the print function in that it takes the data from the console or the shell rather than showing it there. You need to remember to assign the function to a variable. This is very important, otherwise the data entered will be lost. The input function asks the user to input data. We can then use the data in any way we like. For example, we can use that data to display whatever we've inputted. The input function can also take an argument to output something without using the print function. For example, I can write here enter, and this way it will print out enter before it asks you to input something. The result of the input function is a string by default, which means we cannot use arithmetic operators with the inputted data. However, this issue can be overcome with typecasting, which we have studied before, and an example is shown on the right. Now let's look at how we can use the input function by revisiting the Pythagoras problem. Let's go ahead and open up the file. We will edit the code to make it into a program that calculates hypotenuse when the other two sides are given. Okay, so first we'll write the title for our program. We will then change variables a and b to input functions with arguments asking for the length of the sides. We need to make sure we cast the input into floats so we don't get a string result. The calculation is already done from last time, so there's nothing to change there. And we'll finish off by updating the print function to include a f string so we can include the variable. Okay, let's go ahead and run it, and we can test it by using the values from the last time. And we get 75 again. Brilliant, it works. Guys, you've got yourself your very first working program. You can now go ahead and experiment with the program. And you can use your knowledge of variables and input function now to write basic programs. I have prepared 2 practice exercises for you to write 2 more programs. Now, what I suggest is that you first do that on idle or on a REPL website and make sure it works there, and then copy paste your answer into the coding exercise. That way you have a saved copy of your program on your desktop or online somewhere. Good luck, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.